Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree, and if you're new here, clearly my name is Bree, but my channel is It's Renae MUA. And I'd love for y'all to join the fam, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and then the little notification bell whenever I post. Believe me, it's not gonna blow up your phone because I hardly post, but we're working on that. So yeah, if you don't mind doing that, that'd be great. And if y'all want to see how I came up with this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys, just kidding. Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and my voice still sounds weird. Yep. Anyways, I wanted to go ahead and film a little tutorial for y'all. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe times James Charles palettes, and my friend was like, Brie, I want to see you do a red look. So I was like, why not? And there is like the perfect shade range in here, so I was like, why not? So of course I'm using this color right here. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a gold on the inner or stick with like the reds. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna be just using one palette, but I'm like baking my face, and then I went ahead and like set underneath my eyes because I don't want any fallout, if there is gonna be fallout, which I'm pretty sure there is. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dip into the red shade, and I believe that shade is called You Are Kidding. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into You Are Kidding. Actually, let me set my eyes. I'm just gonna jump into this shade real quick to set my eyes. Go into this orange shade right here, and then I'll dip into the You're Kidding. So just gonna, ooh, she's pigmented. I'm not really gonna like build up the shade, but just make sure that it's there. And then I was like gonna start uploading all this stuff, and then I got sick. I got the flu like literally a week after Valentine's Day, and that week was when I was gonna like start uploading and posting more, and I got the flu and I had an ear infection, so that wasn't the best thing ever. So I was like sick for like a week straight, and I'm barely like getting over it, which is why like my voice sounds super raspy. But yeah, just kind of wanted to explain my absence on here. That orange color. Now I'm gonna dip into You're Kidding. I think I'm gonna stamp it on first. We'll see. She's pigmented. This is like hot Cheeto realness, legit. I'm gonna go in with the packing brush. I think this is by like Elf or something. Just still going in with You're Kidding. So now that I've like, whoa, It's like super bright. I'm gonna go ahead and like start blending. I feel like this look low-key might have to call for eyeliner. I look washed out in a way. It looks more like orange. It's pulling orange on the camera, but it's for real red. Like, it's... Oh! Dude, I hate when I do that, like, so freaking much. I'm so upset. I'm to carve out, like, any type of, like, little crease or whatever with this e.l.f. brush. It's like an eyeliner brush. So I just feel like it's way more precise. Oh, never fails. I always mess it up. Go in to this gold shade right here. Can you see that? Yeah. I messed up my little line. Go ahead and go into this shade right here, just to give it an extra pop. And apply some lashes, then I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this bake. And if y'all did see, there was some fallout, and I went ahead and applied my lashes, mascara, and then some brown right here, like just brown eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I'm scared. Like, I kind of want the bottom to look a little like dark in a way. And then I'm just gonna brush this underneath. Brush it underneath, and then we need to highlight our inner corner. Let's see what's in this palette. Ooh. I'm gonna apply these under the brow bone also. And then to highlight, I mixed these, I mixed those two for my inner corner. And then for my face highlight, I'm gonna go in with, this has become my new favorite. It's the Master Chrome by Face Studio, the Molten color, I believe. Just going in with the e.l.f. brush, and I'm generous. And just start applying. Especially on my lip. I love a sweaty lip, sis. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. Just gonna fan myself. Hopefully I don't hit myself with it. I need to do something cute with my hair. I'm like tired of it already. Cause like this is all I could do with it. Just have it natural. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with like a nude color. This is what is this? Sandstorm by NYX. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Purely Nude, but on top, before I apply Purely Nude, I'm gonna go ahead and put Abu Dahab. I don't know what it says, but I'm gonna use this NYX one. So I'm gonna put that one on first. Then I'm gonna put this one on. Then I'm gonna get a lip brush and just blend it all together. I feel like this is a good nude. I feel like I low-key need more contour. I'm just gonna blend everything in. And then that's basically it for this look, is this nude little lip we have going on, and then the bright eyes, kind of sultry, sweet, different. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you all enjoyed this look. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and leave a comment down below on the full coverage foundation, because sis, I'm low-key tired of using drugstore foundations. So like everything else I use is pretty high-end, so it's like the only thing I use is drugstore. So I want to switch it up and get a full coverage drugstore foundation. So yeah, if you guys don't mind commenting down what y'all like, that'd be greatly appreciated. And yeah, bye guys.